Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to write a functions which we will export and import some functions. So I'm going to show you realistic example. Suppose I have one file with the name of app.js. I'm going to copy these functions, and here I am going to type new. I want to create new file which is the touch. I'm going to type here touch and helper.js. okay, helper.js. I'm going to put the name helper.js. Now I have one file which is the name of the helper, and here we can check some things, how to export something. I'm going to show you here node. I'm using node. Now I'm going to type here as a process, and now you can check inside of the process we have the multiple files is there, which is we can check something module export something. So I want to show you something here. You can check all module are here. Here you can check configurations, and process we can check which version are running, and here also you can check all variables, feature, stop. So multiple environment also you can check here. Okay, so we have created as a helper.js. So now I'm going to show you here helper.js. Inside of the helper.js I want to export some module. Basically whenever you want to export any module, you need to write here as a functions which is a module is a predefined module dot exports module dot export. After that you need to write equal to inside of the curly bracket. In the curly bracket we need to write here functions name which is we have already created, and after that we going to here inside of the this app.js file. I'm going to create as a constant which I'm going to create as a helpers equal to require. Whenever you need any file, any function something, so you always need to require. Now we have the file is helper and helper, and after that you want to use same functionality which are running inside of the helper.js. so you need to write here as a helper and set. You can give a name, any kind of name here. We is not mandatory to use same name. I'm going to run this app.js file. Now check, we got the result as a, here we got the result which is 60. This is working fine. We whenever we need to require, because of we inside of the folder we need to write here's dot and colon some things. Okay, so now we have done this, and hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about arrow functions. So inside of the arrow functions, how we can create arrow functions. So I'm going to show you here realistic example. We have already discussed in the last video. So if you have any doubt related with this video, please watch my previous video. Definitely you will learn something about arrow functions with a very easy way. So I have two files which is a helper.js. One is app.js. so inside of the helper.js I am going to show you a realistic example. Suppose I have one constant with the name, we can type any kind of name. Suppose I am going to type here sub, and after that equal to an a. We have two basically we have two values, so I am going to type a comma b, and after that arrow function, and inside the arrow functions I am going to write here as a return a minus b, which is this one, and comment of this one, and now run your project. Yes, we got the result. So we can also use this constant, and if you want to remove this one also, we can type like this one. We don't need to also return, you can also write the something this one. Now we got the also get the result. So basically you have seen already how the arrow functions are working. Okay, so this is done. Basically we don't need to do anything in here. And what is the benefit of the arrow function? So we can write a sort function, and easy to use, and even how easy to understand how the arrow functions are working. And if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make new series also. If you have any doubt inside, if you want to learn about arrow functions deeply, definitely I will explain you in next video. Please comment on comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.